So we'll go for the simple rhythms. Okay, ये क्या है? देखो जरा, ये क्या है? Why is it normal silence? ये पूछेंगे हम लोग. P, every P follow, every QRS is follow, every P is followed by QRS complex. P is and all that is regular, and that is why this is a normal sinus rhythm. हाँ, ठीक है? हो गया NSR. Then आएगा ये रहेगा फिर. What is this?
This is bradyarrhythmia. Heart rate is less than 50.
Okay.
Then PR interval is same, but drop QRS. So it's Mobitz type 1.
So what you have to go? What is the things I told you? क्या करने को बोला मैंने? What is the? How do you identify arrhythmia? क्या समझा मैंने? arrhythmia कैसे identify करते हैं?
रिदम देखना है, रिदम कैसे है, रेगुलर है, इरेगुलर है.
हाँ, वो हाँ 4-5 चीज बताया था. फिर
PR इंटरवल चेक करते हैं इन ब्रैडियरिथमिया.
देखो यहाँ पर है. What do we do here? Are the beats regular or irregular? This is the first question to answer. Are the beats regular or irregular? Okay. Do you see PQRS T pattern? That is the QRS following the P wave? Okay. Is the T wave following the QRS pattern? Third thing, what is the heart rate? Fourth thing is, what is the PR interval? And what is the QRS interval? So what you are doing is doing completely ulta. You understand? That's why you made the mistake. That's why you made a mistake. You understand? So you understand the first thing. The first thing is, are the beats regular? Are the beats regular? First thing that should come. Second thing is, do you see PQRS T pattern? What is the heart rate? What is the PR interval? What is the QRS interval? Okay, clear? Regular, pattern, rate, interval. Okay. So when you go ahead now, what is this now? Tell me. देखो क्या ये? What is the rhythm? What is the rate? What is the pattern? Take it. What is the pattern? Pattern is there. So this means it is following everything. What is the PR interval? It's normal. So everything else is normal. So what is this? Sun है. हाँ. So if you go in order, rhythm is regular. P is uniformly present in front of each QRS. That means the pattern is okay. The PR interval is 0.12 to 0.2 seconds. It is small and it is constant. Okay. QRS interval is 0.06 to 1.2. That is 3 small squares. 3 small squares के ऊपर नहीं हम ऐसा सोच रहे हैं. 3 small squares. 3 small square means 0.12. Okay. So that means this is a okay. So let's look at this now. What is this now? So let's answer these questions once more. Okay. Are the beats at regular or irregular intervals? Regular or irregular? Regular. It is beat is regular, not tough. It's regular. Do you see PQRS T pattern?
Yes.
Is every P wave followed by a QRS complex? Yes. Is every QRS following followed by a T wave? Yes. What is the heart rate?
Heart rate is
34. It is written on that. Heart rate is 34. What is the PR interval? It seems to be constant. Seems to be small and constant. What is the QR interval? Seems to be constant. So this is what rhythm regular है तो sinus हो गया. हाँ. और अगर rate कम अगर हो गया, बाकी सब normal हो गया तो क्या हो गया? Sinus bradycardia. Clear? Sinus bradycardia. So what is about sinus? Everything measures normal. Everything measures normal except the heart rate is less than 60. This is sinus bradycardia, right? Now let us see what this is. Let's go to the same algorithm. Okay, what is happening here? Is the rhythm regular? हाँ
One more nine times.
Okay. All right. Is the rhythm regular?
No.
It is irregular. How do you know it's irregular? दिख रहा है ना?
Yes.
Regular नहीं है, irregular. ऊपर heart rate भी दिख रहा है. What is happening to the heart rate? It is going from 86 to 136 to 130. We're getting both, ना? हाँ? Yeah?
Yes.
You getting it? समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ? So it is regular or irregular?
Irregular.
So it cannot be sinus. It cannot be sinus. Do you see PQRST?
Yes.
Every P wave is followed by QRS followed by a T wave. Clear?
Yes.
Huh? What is the heart rate? It is varying 75, 94, 100, right? What is the PR interval? Is it constant?
No. No, sir.
Is it constant? बराबर देखो. PR interval कौन सा है हमारा? And QR ना तो PR interval constant है ना? PR interval जो है that is absolutely constant. What is the QRS interval?
वो भी constant.
वो भी constant है. So what is this? हाँ क्या? Irregular sinus तो नहीं हो सकता. So what is this called as? This is called as you're kind of right. This is a misnomer. It is called as sinus arrhythmia. ठीक है? हाँ, it's called as sinus arrhythmia. ठीक है? Clear on this? What is this now?
Regular.
So sinus arrhythmia समझा ना?
Yes.
हाँ? Yeah. What is this now? Are the beats regular?
Yes.
Yes. Do you see PQRST pattern?
P is not seen. No, P is not seen.
P नहीं दिख रहा है. P जरा सा थोड़ा दिख रहा है. T wave के ऊपर. That is P wave. छोटा सा है वो. हाँ, मैं उतना बराबर दिखता नहीं है, लेकिन है वहाँ पर थोड़ा सा. हाँ? तो पैटर्न ऐसा लग रहा है कि है. Okay. Heart rate? Tachycardia. What is the PR interval? It looks constant. What is the QRS interval? Constant. So what are we looking at? Sinus tachycardia. You can also at times call it as supraventricular. Okay. Now let us see this one. Okay. What is this now? Now the rate has become very fast. Now it is difficult to see a P wave. Okay. So since the rate is very fast, difficult to see a P wave. It is more than 150. What are we looking at? Supraventricular tachycardia. Simple.
Yes.
Now the P waves can't see well ना, उसमें थोड़ा सा P wave तो दिख रहा था, इसमें you can't see any P wave. समझ में आया? हाँ, ये हमने किया हुआ है, ठीक है? Let's see what is this. ये क्या है?
P wave is not seen.
Very good. So let's go in the order. Is it regular?
Irregular.
So the order is irregular. It is irregular. What do you see the PQRST pattern?
No.
No, you are not seeing PQRST as a pattern तो दिख नहीं रहा है. We can't see it. We can't see P wave followed by QRS followed by T wave. We can't see that. What is the heart rate? Fluctuating. That means it's not regular. What is the PR interval? P wave नहीं तो PR interval आएगा कहाँ से? There is no PR interval only. What is the QRS? That is constant. So that means the ventricles are working well. The ventricles, if QRS is okay, that means the ventricles are working well. Okay, so what is this then?
Atrial fibrillation.
Yeah, this is atrial fibrillation. Right? This is called, because the ventricles are working well, atrial is not seen, this is called as atrial fibrillation. ठीक है? हाँ? So if I want to see it, this is what it is. There are no P waves, there is no PR interval, ventricular rate is regular, that means ventricle is okay, QRS is always ventricle, QRS is always ventricle, that is okay. So what is this? Atrial fibrillation. Okay, now what is this?
Regular.
It's regular, very good, it's regular. What about the,
PQRS is not seen.
but there are too many P waves it looks, na? It looks like there are too many P waves. And this is classically called as a sawtooth pattern. Sawtooth. Atrial? Yeah, so this is atrial flutter. Understanding, na?
Yes.
Sawtooth pattern. Sawtooth pattern. So that RE होता है ना RE. Carpenter का. उससे कैसे होता है sawtooth? So this is sawtooth pattern. Okay. So this is called as atrial flutter. Okay. Clear on this? And the rate is always, atrial rate is always high. Atrial rate मतलब वो P wave का rate जो है वो high रहता है. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Atrial rate जो P जो दिख रहा है that rate is high. ठीक है? Now atrial fibrillation. Okay. Now let's go ahead. Okay. Now we've gone through all these things now. We have gone through sinus rhythms, sinus tachycardia, sinus bradycardia, sinus arrhythmia, एंड सुप्रावेंट्रिकुलर टैकीकार्डिया, ये सब हो गया हमारा, ठीक है। हमने फ्लटर फिब्रिलेशन भी खत्म कर दिया। ओके, नाउ साइनस नोड, लेट्स गो टू जंक्शनल। लुक एट व्हाट हैपेंस इन जंक्शनल रिदम। ये आएगा नहीं तुमको, दिस विल नॉट कम टू योर, बट यू मस्ट रिमेंबर वेंट्रिकल, वेंट्रिकुलर रिदम में QRS becomes broad, in ventricular rhythm QRS becomes broad. This is what you must remember. Clear? Now let's go ahead. Okay, there is where what is happening over here? PQRST, PQRST, but उसके बाद P नहीं है, there is no P wave, right? There is no P wave here.
Yes.
Clear? So this is sinus rhythm with premature junctional complex. ये नहीं आएगा तुम लोगों को, लेकिन जिसमें P wave नहीं आ रहा है, बाकी सब स्टेबल है, ठीक है? Okay, clear on this? Now this is what I'm going to see. What is this? अभी इधर QRS has become broad. So the rhythm is from ventricular. So this is premature ventricular complex, PVC. Ventricular premature complexes. Clear? QRS comes from the ventricle. The rhythm is and the QRS becomes broad only when it comes from the ventricle. So क्या हो गया ये? Premature ventricular complex. Clear? All right. So now let's go to the rhythm. Okay. What is this now? NSR तो है,
Yes.
लेकिन ये बीच में एक ब्रॉड कॉम्प्लेक्स आ गया, तो क्या हो गया ये? क्या हो गया ये? Sinus rhythm with, yeah. So this is sinus rhythm with premature ventricular contraction. हाँ, premature ventricular complex, premature ventricular contraction, ventricular premature contraction, anything you can call it. समझ में आया? Clear? You will again do all these things, don't worry. हाँ, ठीक है? तो ये same thing, no? Every alternate beat is actually a ventricular premature complex. ठीक है? You even if you identify this much, it is enough. Okay? Okay. Now what is this? QRS complex कैसा है? Broad है, regular है, right? Can you see P?
No.
Can you see the pattern?
No.
So what is this? अगर QRS broad है तो कहाँ से आ रहा है ये? Ventricular. और ये tachycardia तो क्या बोलते हैं उसे? Simple. So this is what ventricular. Clear? Huh? What about this? Is it regular? No, that was regular. Huh? Complexes are they similar to each other? No, they are not. Can you see P? Can you see QRS? QRS जो है वो इधर आजू बाजू कुछ तो दिख रहा है. So what is this? This is the most dangerous rhythm, ventricular fibrillation. So when you have ventricular tachycardia, what do you do next? We just finished ACLS. What do you do next? No. Check the pulse. Okay. So if the ventricular tachycardia is there, check for pulse. Check for जैसा हम ACLS में देखते हैं, conscious level ये सब पूरा समझ में आ रहा है? Chest to check, pulse check. Only when there is no pulse you will actually shock. Only when the patient alternate mental status you will shock. Others you will not shock. Clear? Whereas ventricular fibrillation में usually you will shock first go only because उसमें pulse मिलता ही नहीं. समझ में आ रहा है? Clear? Clear on this? Alright. Now blocks, okay? Once we are just revising the blocks, okay? So here the blocks that we have is first degree AV block, second degree AV block, and third degree block. Okay, first degree block, second degree block, and third degree. The second degree is divided into two parts. Okay, Movich type 1, Movich type 2. Movich type 1 को Wenckebach बोलते हैं, and Movich type 2 आता है फिर third degree heart block. Okay, now what is first degree heart block? PR interval is only prolonged. Okay, just prolonged. So this is the PR interval from P to QRS, the start of QRS. From the start of P to the start of QRS. When this PR interval gets prolonged, it is called as first degree heart block. Prolonged means more than how many squares? 0.3.
0.5 squares.
Yeah, right. So 0.1 to 0.2 से prolonged. Okay, 0.2 से ज़्यादा. Clear? 1 square is 0.04. 3 square is 0.12. 5 squares are 0.2. Clear? Clear? Now see over here, look at the PR interval. 0.28, 0.28, 0.28, 0.28. Regularly prolonged आ रहा है. जब regularly prolonged आ रहा है, it's more than 0.2 ना? Since it's more than 0.2 regularly prolonged, this is called as first degree heart block. Clear? Alright. Now look at Wenckebach. What is Wenckebach? वेंके बैक में क्या हो रहा है? PR interval is gradually longer until a QRS is dropped. अभी नीचे देखो, एग्जांपल ऑफ PR interval देखो, 0.14 नॉर्मल, 0.2 बढ़ गया, 0.32 और बढ़ गया और सडनली BT निकल गया. नीचे एग्जांपल देखा ना, एग्जांपल ऑफ PR interval is. So it was first 0.14, then it became 0.2, then it became 0.32 and then it dropped the beat. This is called as Mobitz type 1. ठीक है? And the entire pattern becoming bigger, dropping beat is repeated again. So next again beat will be small, then bigger, then drop beat. Then again small, bigger, drop beat. समझ में आ रहा है? This is Wenke back type 1. Clear? Typically इससे कुछ होता नहीं है. You understand ना? हाँ? Clear? Wenke back type 1. We are worried about type 2, Mobitz type 2. Okay? Mobitz type 2 कैसे दिखता है? Mobitz type 2 में ये होता है. अभी what is the difference here? Tell me the difference here. क्या हो रहा है इधर? विशाल ये tell me.
PR interval is fixed
Okay.
है, but drop of QRS suddenly.
Suddenly QRS drop हो रहा है.
Yes.
तो अभी नीचे देखो example of PR intervals. 0.16 drop, 0.16 drop, 0.16 drop. मतलब वो PR interval is constant, P to R is constant, but suddenly there is a drop of the QRS. That is called as Mobitz type 2. ठीक है? This can be harmful. इसको pacemaker लगता है. Understood सचिन? Mobitz type 2 समझा? Mobitz type 1 क्या था?
PR interval, then suddenly there is a drop.
PR interval Mobitz type 1 क्या है?
Not constant.
Gradually longer and then suddenly there is a drop. And the pattern repeats.
Repeats after some.
And the pattern repeats. Whereas Mobitz type 2 क्या है?
The PR interval will be constant, but there will be drop.
Sudden drop which we do not know when it comes. Pattern is not there. There is no pattern here. We are going in the same order what we had discussed. There is no pattern here. समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ? These are all irregular. Okay? हाँ? The only regular rhythm in the heart block is first degree heart block. Clear? First degree heart block में what is happening?
PR interval.
Fixed PR. All the PRs are prolonged. Huh? First degree heart block, all the PRs are fixed and prolonged. Second degree type 1 में क्या हो रहा है? PR is getting bigger, gradually long and drop. Mobitz type 2 में क्या हो रहा है? Sudden drop. PR is constant. Clear? Now let's go to third degree. Now in third degree what is happening is there is absolutely no relation between P and QRS. इसमें क्या हो रहा है? अभी तक P आपका रेगुलर नहीं था. अभी क्या हो रहा है? इसमें P जो है वो रेगुलर हो गया है. रेगुलर P वेव हो गया है. समझ में है? बट रेगुलर QRS कॉम्प्लेक्स हो गया. मतलब P वेव बराबर आ रहा है, QRS कॉम्प्लेक्स बराबर आ रहा है, लेकिन उनका कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. They are not working together. Our pattern was what? P has to follow QRS has to follow P has to follow T. ऐसा होता था ना? P Q R S T. कोई relation, there is no pattern anymore. Okay? PR interval will vary, everything will vary. Okay? So how does it look? So if you look at the example of PR intervals down, you see 0.14 B, 0.2 B, 0.2 कुछ भी pattern चल रहा है. ठीक है? हाँ? So let's now go to each of these rhythms in one. What is this? Regular. PR seems to be slightly prolonged in the earlier, slightly prolonged. Heart rate is 60. So this is type 1. Okay, clear? समझ में आया कि नहीं समझ में आया? वापस देखता हूँ. फर्स्ट डिग्री हार्ट ब्लॉक क्या लग रहा है हम लोगों को? P is followed by QRS. It is regular and the PR is prolonged. Okay, since PR is prolonged, this is type 1 heart block. Clear? What is this now?
Sir, PR interval gradually prolong हो रहा है.
Yes.
And speed drop हो रहा है. QRS.
Yes. तो आपको दिख रहा है ना?
Yes.
PR छोटा, फिर थोड़ा और बड़ा, फिर ड्रॉप. दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ? तो क्या हो गया ये? Mobitz type 1, वेंके बैक. ठीक है? ये क्या है अभी? PR interval constant है. Sudden drop of QRS. तो क्या होता है ये? और ये क्या है? देखो यहाँ पर कोई रिलेशन ही नहीं है. हाँ? QRS अलग सा आ रहा है, P अलग सा जा रहा है. तो ये क्या हो गया? Complete heart block. Clear? So now we go back to the same and we try to answer that questions now. Okay? All right. So don't look at the answer down there. Try to get the answer on your own. Okay? It's easier that way. Okay? So let me ask you this question. Okay? What is this?
सर वो वायर उल्टा है सर, उसको घुमा के
बरोबर.
Irregular.
So let one person answer. So who's going to answer now? Vishal, answer it. Is the rhythm regular?
No, sir.
Why it is not regular? Because दिख रहा है regular नहीं है, ऊपर heart rate दिख रहा है 53, 60, 65 हो रहा है. Regular नहीं. हाँ? What is it?
Then PQRS is
P के बाद QRS आ रहा है. हाँ. What about interval now?
Increases.
धीरे-धीरे बढ़ रहा है.
And?
Then suddenly
ये drop हो रहा है. तो क्या हो गया ये?
Mobius type 2.
One.
Sorry, Mobius type 1 हो गया. धीरे-धीरे बढ़ रहा है suddenly.
हाँ? Thank you, back. So Sapna, you want to answer this once more?
Yes.
So how will you answer it?
Sir, rhythm is irregular
Huh?
and PR interval is
No, pattern. After rhythm, pattern. P is followed by QRS. Okay? P is followed by QRS in many of the rhythms. Okay? Many of the. Then उसके बाद PR interval.
PR interval is prolonged, sir.
It's gradually prolonged and there is a drop beat. So what is this?
Second degree का first type, ventry back.
Thank you, back. Very good. हाँ? ठीक है? Clear? हाँ? Understood how to interpret everything? वही है. You shall interpret rhythm,
Rhythm is a regular.
regular,
then,
pattern.
Pattern is PQR नहीं है.
There is no pattern. QRS complex.
QRS is broad.
So,
Then ventricular.
and what is the rate?
Rate is more than one.
So what is it?
Then ventricular taking sudden.
What will you do next? I will check for
Check for pulse.
check for pulse. ये बताना है, ठीक है? हाँ, चल order is the same. Huh?
The rate is irregular.
Okay.
Pattern
Rhythm is irregular.
Rhythm is irregular.
हाँ.
Pattern is followed.
Pattern is not followed. There is no pattern. There is no P. There is no QR. There is not. There is a QRS, but there is no pattern. Then
Heart rate.
there is sudden.
so a system.
So it is irregular.
Okay.
And QRS is not following P wave everywhere. Heart rate is fluctuating. Then PR interval we can't.
We can't notice. So what is
notice,
this?
And then this is atrial fibrillation.
Yes. Got it, Supriya?
Yes.
So if you rate the rhythm is not regular, the rate is more than rate is varying. Okay. There is no discernible P wave. There is no pattern. Since there is no discernible P wave, there is no PR interval, and so the rate is irregular. So this is atrial fibrillation. Clear? Huh? Okay. Sachin. Is the rate regular?
Regular rate, sir.
Rhythm regular? Regular. No?
Rhythm is regular,
Huh?
but the pattern is not followed.
Pattern is not
P-
followed. Okay. Okay.
P waves is there, but multiple P waves. QRS is there, sir. Basically, it can be a flutter.
Is atrial flutter. And what is the atrial rate here? More than 300.
More.
देखो इतना fast हो रहा है atrial.
Hmm.
So more than 300. ठीक है? Clear? Atrial flutter. All right. Now this Kanchan. Is the rhythm regular?
Sir, rhythm is regular.
Very good.
P is followed by QRS complex. PR interval is
Constant.
constant, and QRS is narrow. So it's a sinus bradycardia.
Clear? So it comes as sinus bradycardia. Clear? So if you follow the pattern that we are discussing, you will get all rhythms properly. If you don't follow, you will not get the pattern. Okay? What is your name? Ashwini.
So rhythm is regular. Pattern is
You can't see a P wave, no? Now what is happening here? क्या चल रहा है? आपको दिख रहा होगा ये क्या चल रहा है? Saying 100 joules. What is going on here? It's a shock rhythm. We are doing cardio version, right? What is happening here is a cardio version. This is supraventricular tachycardia. Because you can't see a P wave, though it is regular, heart rate is very fast. This is SVT. Clear? And because they are shocking, we are understanding this cardio version also going on there. ठीक है?
Rhythm is normal.
Rhythm is regular. Regular. इसको either regular or irregular. Regular.
Yes. Pattern is followed.
Yes. Every P is followed by QRS. Then
PR is constant.
PR is constant.
And there is a ventricular regulation. The QR is broad.
There is a sudden appearance of a ventricular complex. What is this? Normal side is rhythm with a premature ventricular contraction. Clear? Normal side is rhythm premature ventricular contraction. Right? What is this? So let's. What is this? Vishal. Is the rhythm regular?
Yes, rhythm is regular.
Okay. Rhythm is not regular, no? You see sometimes. ऊपर देखो ना heart rate देखो 48, 44, 49, 50 is not regular. Then the only heart block that is regular is going to be first degree. This is not regular. Okay. Then
PQR is not followed.
pattern. ऐसा दिख रहा है ना बीच में PR है बराबर. PR interval is vary. What is this? Complete heart block. ठीक है? This is complete heart block. Clear? Now this is one.
Complete heart block can be regular.
It can be, but for the purposes of a simple ECG, this is the simple ECG that we follow. Okay, the point being there is no pattern between P and QRS. Yeah, that is what we want to look at. Okay, now there is one more ECG that will be shown in the exams. Okay, so what is this?
ST elevation.
Is the rhythm regular? Rhythm is regular. Every P is followed by QRS. Every P is followed by QRS. QRS is normal, P is normal. But what is abnormal? Nahin. What you are seeing is you see on 2, 3 AVF, you see ST segments gone up. You can see 2, 3 AVF ST segment gone up. So ST segment is gone up. This is called myocardial infarction. So one of this rhythm will be there in your exam. This is going to be myocardial infarction. Clear? You have to just diagnose. You have to tell why it is myocardial infarction. This is not arrhythmia because P is followed by QRS, RR is regular, every QRS is followed by T wave, QRS is preceded by P wave. Okay, the PR interval seems to be normal. The only difference here is that there is an ST segment that is elevated. It is elevated in 2, 3 AVF, and V3.
V4.
So V4. I would call this as myocardial infarction. Clear? ST segment elevated, myocardial infarction. What is this? What is this? We have done X-rays and all. So, Sachin? Yeah, this is a pleural effusion. जो आपको यहाँ पर दिख रहा है, यहाँ पर एक ऐसा area है. This is called as pleural effusion. Clear? This is called as pleural effusion, right? Pleural effusion. Next X-ray that can be shown is this one. What is this?
Thorax.
So it's a pneumothorax. We can see over here there is a sharp border over here. Okay, this sharp border and there is blackness over here. That's why this is called as pneumothorax. This is the underlying collapsed lung. This one is the underlying collapsed lung. So this can be asked in the exams. Clear? Clear? So this is the rhythm, this is the X-rays, and this is what is going to be asked in the exams with respect to ACLS. Alright, so now what we are going to do is, we are going to go to will involve various equipments, drugs, oxygen therapy and humidification. This is going to be table 1. Okay. Table 2 will involve ACLS. This is going to be by the external examiner and trauma. That is essential of trauma care में वो आएगा. Next stabilization and log rolling जो बोलते हैं जिसको, that will come there. And table 3 will be taken by the nurse in charge, education, chief education or something like that, where protocols of nursing practice will be asked, blood sugar will be asked, DVT prophylaxis will be asked, sedation score, pain score, troubleshooting of ventilators and monitors. We are not going to talk to this, but these above things would be asked, and handover. Clear? Clear on this?
Yes, sir.
So now we will do one viva, okay? So